Make yourself comfortable in the lounge with the touch command display panels in the rear doors of your BMW 7 and i7. The touch displays control all relevant passenger functions and the rear seat entertainment system. Go to the blinds menu to put the shading in the rear up or down individually. And go to lights to turn on the reading lights and adjust their brightness. Or to adjust the ambient lighting. Or simply select one of the My modes with matching ambient lighting and displays. Watch out for great theatre moments. Theatre mode automatically folds down the BMW Theatre Screen, rolls up the blinds, and adjusts the interior lighting to create the perfect movie-watching atmosphere. Via display settings, you can control the theatre screen display, move it towards you for better touch control, or move it backwards for a better view. And of course, tilt the angle depending on your needs. Perfect! Shut the display down and fold it up in case movie time is over. By clicking on Touch Command, you can adjust the brightness of the display. Watch our other how-to video about seating and climate control with the touch commands. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.